Hey guys, it's Mr. Ender from irwintech's Discord server. Today I'll be showing you guys how you can get a fully working bash terminal inside of your browser using Rust Lang Playground. This is pretty simple. I just thought I should make a video to show you guys something because irwintech has not uploaded in a while. So first thing you guys want to do is get this link. It'll be provided in the video description. This is a small little script I made which you can run on the next website I'll be showing you, and this will basically allow us to input bash commands into the site. So where we want to go is we want to go to play.rust-lang.org. This will bring us to something that looks like this. If you want, you can change the viewing, make it like dark mode, but that doesn't really matter right now. So what we want to do is copy the script, the whole thing, from the site, Command C, Command V, and if you run it, you'll see it opens up this terminal, and this shows the system user, and then at Ubuntu, because this is a Ubuntu distro. So if we do uname-a, we can see this is running Linux, 5.15 kernel, and we see it's running Ubuntu Linux. So that's all I really had to show you guys for today. Some quick information about this. The system has 2 cores, 3 gigabytes of RAM, and around 100 gigabytes of storage. It has no network access, and it's just it's really simple machine, so it's really only good for messing around. Don't do anything personal on here. Don't save any files. It does not save. As soon as you close your tab, your files will be gone. Sometimes though the code saves to the browser using cookies, so you might not have to type this every time, but yeah, just letting you know, files will not save. And to show it works, we can do like echo, like some characters, and then we can do like dir to see all the files in the current directory, and it's fully working. So yeah, see you guys some other time.